Hey y'all, so I'm gonna walk y'all through this blowout today. This was my client, she's getting a sew in, but I just kind of want to come and give y'all some tips and tricks to blow drying. I use leave-in conditioner and also some heat protectant, and after I put that on each section, I usually detangle it with a wide tooth comb and also the brush I'm gonna be using for my blow dryer. So the main thing about blow drying, if you want to get it straight, is that you need tension. Not so much for sew-ins and stuff because it's going to be break down anyways, but especially for when you're doing the silk press. So getting into the technique, I want y'all to notice my thumb. When I grab the hair with the brush, I place my thumb on the hair to reinforce that tension that I am using to stretch the hair. And then I avoid going all the way down to the ends because the ends are more porous and it's easy for them to dry out and get more breakage. So I just avoid that until the hair is a good percentage dry, and then I go all the way through to the ends. I also want to note that I keep tension on the hair. Like when I get all the way down to where I want to stop with the brush, I grab the section with my hand, keeping tension on the hair, leaving it in a stretched state, and then I reposition the brush at the base of the hair. I do this because the hair is usually still wet or damp when you first begin to blow dry, so you want to make sure you keep it in a stretched state and not shrinking or coiling back up from the strand still being wet. Then once I get about 70% of the hair dry, I go ahead and start going all the way to the end, and also I'll go ahead and let that hair go. But as y'all can see, the hair is stretched out a good amount. Make sure that y'all are opening up that section too, because the middle is the part that is kind of missing out on the heat most of the time. And that is how I do my blowouts. I'm just going to demonstrate a couple of sections of her hair for this blowout, and those were all my tips that I have. I'm gonna play a little music so y'all can enjoy the content, but please like, share, comment, subscribe, and turn on the notifications if y'all would like to get updates when I put up new videos for professional tips.